Hey, I'm Nick Parros. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Brighton, Michigan. I was a 2017 amateur skim champion. I ride for Phase 5 wake surfers, and I'd be super stoked to be a part of this yacht event. Let's get it.
Stories in the lines across your face. Thought and reason reappearing, holding out your hands against the race. And I didn't think I would stay for this, and you didn't think